This tool promises that it will suck your wrinkles out. Yeah, man, straight from Japan. Wavy needle lift pointer. They patented a tornado roller technique. Yeah, and with this thing, we should get all wrinkles out. Let's try, let's see how it really works. So as usual, to make EMS work, we put contact with gel on the face. You better always put it a lot to make it really work. Yeah, like don't put like a cream, yeah, like when you absorb it completely. No, you need to keep your face super duper wet. You also can use this tool on the neck, yeah. So put a little here. Let's try. So I press mode roller first. Yeah, I put on the highest level because my face is pretty trained. Let's go. Ooh, 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 look. Strong, strong, ooh, ooh. It's pretty strong. Oh, that's something new. Wow, it works different than from other tools I have. Oh, look. Listen, guys, that's something really new. Ooh. So on the highest level, it's very strong. Not gonna lie. Guys, so it's something really different from other tools I have. It's kind of tapping. Yeah, oh, listen. This is, that's a strong one. I thought I have the strongest one. Now I got something really different. Whoa. Okay. They even showed it like, I'll put less because that's you have to get used to. I also seen they do it on the nose. Imagine training, because you know when you work with the muscles here, it helps with the wrinkles here. Yeah, no, in general. Wow, that's a very unique feeling. I like it, guys. It's really strong. I put on the second. Just look how strong it works. Oh, it's something very new. Oh, guys, it's a very new tool. Wow, I love it. Oh my god, that's a strong one. Tuk 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 tuk. Wow. Wow. Japan, much respect as always, like surprised me. That's a serious one. Ooh. Wow, my new hero. I love it. So good. Yeah, on the neck. Ooh. Guys, like if you are new into EMS, always begin with the first level. It's really strong. Yeah, must have to work with this. Must to have a perfect neck. Okay, so 5 minutes we're running with this one. Love it. Whew, strong. Then I change mode on point. Yeah, let's put the strongest. So, and here you should grab to make it work lower. You see, it's like a needle. So, and I have a wrinkle here. Okay. Yeah, I see it's a go straight. I want to show you closer how it works. So, you grab it here. You put gel a lot. Yeah, so I know it's not much visible, but the wrinkle is here. You press it, you press it, you press it. And I can feel how, you know, there's like electric waves of, yeah, right here, just straight to the wrinkle. I love the feeling, you know. Oof. Strong, but I like it. It's really like, I tried this tool yesterday already, so honestly, it's already made my wrinkles very flat. So I recommend, I love it. Yeah, man, great job. also like that. On the face, you feel it more, because forehead, ooh, is pretty strong already. You can go here, but just by the bone. Yeah. Oof. Around eyes, much stronger. So same, you go like 5 minutes. Ooh, strong. Again here. Ooh, this one's stronger. Yeah, every part of the face have a different sensitivity. I like it, feels strong. So with any EMS, guys, remember that that's a strong. You need a good conductor gel, and for sure, like with any tool, you should stay consistent. Yeah, one session give results, few will give much more. The regular one will keep your face lifted and structured. I'm very emotional, yeah, like I use my forehead a lot, so you can see like these emotions, they are always active. So I'm very happy that I got it now at iGodFace Studio. You are gonna feel this tool too. So 10 out of 10. Yeah, man, I love it. Thank you.